Hey guys, welcome back to MadMods PC Modding. This is Mikey, and today we are going to unbox the Masterbox Lite 5. Big shout out to Cooler Master for the support. Now, some quick specs before we jump into the video. CPU cooler support is up to 6.3 inches in height. Graphics card is up to 16.4 inches long, and you have a PSU clearance of 7.1 inches. Power supply. Now, more details in the video. Please let me know what you think about this case in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel. That's all from me. Peace!